Welcome to our fun-filled tour of the wild. Ready to meet some of the world's funniest animals? Let's dive in. First up are dogs, our best friends. Funny dogs can turn any ordinary day into a hilarious adventure with their comical antics, from chasing their tails in circles to attempting to mimic their owner's expressions. Then there's the Proboscis monkey. Their comically large noses and potbellies make them a sight to behold. Next, meet the pufferfish. Pufferfish have a knack for turning a simple swim into a comical show, puffing up like underwater balloons and sporting expressions that could rival any cartoon character, all while they navigate the depths with their endearing clumsiness. Ever heard a kangaroo fight? Watching a funny kangaroo fight is like witnessing a boxing match with a twist, as these marsupials often engage in hopping clashes while balancing on their tails. Their awkward yet entertaining sparring matches can leave you in stitches as they display a unique blend of agility and humour. Now the parrots. Funny parrots are feathered comedians of the bird world, expertly mimicking human voices and sounds in the most unexpected and hilarious ways. You'll also find humour in the antics of the capybara. As the world's largest rodent, they're known for their laid-back attitude and chill vibes. Then there's Chameleon. The funny, colour-changing chameleon can turn any game of hide-and-seek into a riotous spectacle with its ability to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, leaving you wondering if it's actually hiding or just showing off its camouflage skills. Have you ever seen a bird dance? The funny peacock mating dance is a flamboyant and over-the-top performance that looks like a disco party in the bird world, complete with flashy feathers and some seriously awkward dance moves that make even the most graceful creatures blush. We can't forget the eyes of an owl. Their eyes are like two large, unblinking disco balls in the night, staring intensely into the darkness as if they're waiting for the punchline of the forest's best-kept secret. Lastly, the eye. This lemur's long, skeletal finger and bulging eyes are humorously creepy. And that's our list. From funny dogs to owl eyes, there's no shortage of funny animals in the wild. Which one tickled your funny bone the most? Thanks for watching.